Hi-oh! We are here in the Skull and Mortar kitchen for one reason today. It's to put this INKBIRD thermometer to the test. Guys, no wires, no mess, no data loss. This is the INKBIRD INT11PB barbecue thermometer. I don't know about you, but I hate wires, guys. Get rid of the mess of wires, having to run out to your cooker every 5 minutes to check it. You don't have to do this because this puts the power literally in your hand. You can check it from your phone. 30 minutes of offline data, so you don't have to worry about data loss. It works in barbecues, grills, smokers, ovens, frying pans, and more. This has 2-in-1 temperature sensors. What that means is it has both an internal and ambient temperature, which it monitors simultaneously. This thing is very accurate. It is within 1 degree Celsius or 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, so you know that you have the right temperature at all times. Plus, you already know I'm a big fan of how the INKBIRD stuff looks. It feels like you're using a Cadillac. This thing has heat-resistant zirconia ceramics on the handle, so it's practical, it's durable. Food-grade, rust-resistant stainless steel probe, and it's at IP67 waterproof, so it is dishwasher safe. 25 minutes is all it takes to fully charge the probe.
It lasts up to 25 hours at high temperatures.
Or 7 days at room temperature on a full charge. Guys, that is crazy. I've had all kinds of these thermometers and they always die mid-cook if you're going for some crazy long cook. The case, not only does it look cool as hell, it's a charging dock, a repeater, and a storage box. It's got a magnet on the back so you can stick it onto the side of your cooker. You can stick it onto the side of your refrigerator wherever it's light, it's portable, it's easy to use. It's got an advanced Bluetooth 5.1 connection that gives you up to 300 feet of long distance range. You can remotely control and monitor your cooking. Up to 26 types of USDA preset meats with custom settings, multiple alarms so you don't under or overcook your meat, and you get temperature graphs, which is pretty cool. Oh, you didn't think I wasn't gonna give you a recipe with this, did you? Of course I am. We're gonna test out this INKBIRD thermometer on a spatchcock chicken. Guys, we're gonna do a very basic cook here. I'm gonna take some of this Cajun injection from Zatarain's. We're gonna get a good shot directly into the breast. You see we got a good swell. Oh, a little premature, but we all have that problem sometimes, don't we, gentlemen? Fill up those legs. Let's get some down into the thigh. And let's just really kind of fill out this breast a little bit. Get some down in this part too. Step 1 is done. Now, honestly, I should have done this part first, but I didn't because apparently I'm a dumbass. All right, we're just gonna chop the spine right out. I'm using scissors, you can use a knife, whatever you want. I just feel like the scissors are easiest to use. Now we're gonna flip this chicken over, break that sternum, and flatten your boy out. So now we're gonna hit this with the might of 1,000 spray oil cans. Just kidding, just one. Guys, don't hate the spray oil. If you don't want to spray oil, you can use regular oil, but the spray oil is gonna help your skin be crispy and flavorful and wonderful. We're gonna go over it with just a tiny bit of Skull and Mortar all-purpose rub, available at skullandmortar.com. We want that salt on there too. That salt, not only does it add flavor, but it pulls out moisture from the skin as well, which is also gonna help. But we want it to be flavorful, colorful. We want all that stuff. We want a deep range of barbecue flavors. So we're gonna give it a healthy dose of the Skull and Mortar OG rub. Guys, this is our base rub for everything. It's what we won all the awards with. Now we're gonna hop over here, pop out our INKBIRD thermometer. And push that right into the breast. Guys, you don't have to spatchcock your chicken if you don't want to, but what it does is it allows you to cook it a little more evenly without that body cavity which you have to heat up, right? So your breasts are gonna be heated better, they're gonna be cooked better and more evenly. You can certainly do this exact same, very basic recipe with the whole chicken and without spatchcocking it. I would just recommend that you fill that poop chute up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Guys, now we're gonna hop over to our smoker. We're gonna put this on the smoker at 300 degrees with a pecan wood and an apple wood mixture. I expect it to take 2 or 3 hours to cook. So we're gonna hop over here to chicken. We're gonna pop this up. This has a set at 165 degrees, which would be perfect for the thighs. But since we're measuring in the breast, we're gonna go ahead and crank it up to about 180 degrees. Set that. You can see here, you can switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius, very easy. Light mode, dark mode. I think I'm gonna go with dark mode. I feel like that's very pleasing to my eyes. So that's literally all it takes to set up your cook. You can also set up additional alarms if you want to, but since we're doing chicken, we don't really gotta mess with all that. Now you can see our ambient temperature is 68 because I'm in my house, and it's 46 inside the chicken breast right now. We're gonna get this on the smoker like we said, and we're gonna check back with it throughout the cook.
And I play drums on the wheel with a feeling out of touch or outgunned in the field. Drums on the wheel. Bomb sights and blackouts and fog lights and gas clouds. Jockey through vacuums. None of our flaps down, it's shocking. Shot off's one small part of some squadron that ain't once chosen to abort shit, and we've honed in on our problem. Non-stop till he stopped to see what kind of quadrant he got lost in. Do you read me that option when y'all's options are exhausted? Have been dropped off in this mosh pit instead of locked in one orbit. Knock knock, pull back of this cockpit is my coffin. Boss levels, I'm doomed to repeat. New dance called Do You Read Me? It evolves beyond the yonder mantra. Once none pinging my transponder. Once what macabre, y'all plan to conjure. Been handed back to y'all unresponsive. 10 hut and I'm in sync. Phone home, but just ring a ring.
Guys, our chicken is done. It is looking phenomenal. She is a beaut, and she is wetter than Terry's mom on prom night. Look at that, all that juice running wilder than Hulkamania in 1985. It's looking glorious. So guys, we used our INKBIRD thermometer here, and I am very happy with this thing. I did not lose connection. The battery, of course, made it through the whole 3-hour cook. And most importantly, the accuracy was perfect. I have another INKBIRD probe thermometer that I used and that I know is on the money, and I put it up against this at every turn, and the temperatures were perfect. But now, none of it is important. As good as the thermometer was, none of it is important if this chicken isn't busting. So let's go ahead and break open this chicken. Bust into this wing here. Let's see what we're working with. Look at that skin. God damn it, it's good. Ah, this chicken is busting. You want to try a wing, Fred?
Yeah, I do.
Go ahead, man. Enjoy some of that. It's just a chicken wing, dude.
What's hot?
Just came off the smoker.
I caught you again.
I know, I keep trying to eat before he gets out here. What do you think?
Good?
Would one say bussin'?
Yeah.
Bussin' or bussin'?
Bussin'.
Just bussin'. He's over here trying to play like he doesn't bussin' on stuff all the time. Anyway, guys, the thing is great. The chicken turned out phenomenal. It's a super easy way to cook a great chicken. And more importantly, our INKBIRD thermometer was on point. There's a link in the description below. You know, click on it, check it out. If you're in the market for a probe thermometer, this is certainly a very cool looking and very good operational one to try out, man. Skullandmortar.com for all your barbecue needs. Terry's mom's a hoe. I'm gonna eat this piece of skin. I don't have anything else to say. I'm out of stuff. I'm just standing here talking.
Say like and subscribe.
No, I didn't. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, please. For real. Do it. Don't make me beg.
Make my life easier.
Good day, sirs and ma'ams.